Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Ford F-150. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.